The other one is the insulation. These old houses guarantee you have an insulation problem. What they do on these though is they come from the outside and they drill holes and they blow insulation. So you don't even have to do that from the inside. Now if you're gutting the whole inside, now it's just cheaper to just put up all new insulation at that point. But like,
how much does it cost?
how much does it cost for the insulation? I have no idea. That's not something that we do on a regular basis. So insulation itself is not that expensive. It's what do you have to do to get it installed.
For these holes, it's outside?
If they're going to put in like a cellulite insulation, where they're going to blow it in and it'll settle. And like right now, this house probably had the cellulite type of insulation. Back then, what they used was newspaper. They literally would just shred up newspapers, and they would blow that into the walls if it didn't have the batt, insulation. But even if they put in like a batt of insulation, like the fiberglass type of stuff we have now, whatever they put in there, and I had to look at the structure of the wall here, but they probably have it where this is going straight through all the way up. And so all that insulation is probably settled down to about here.
Yeah. So remaining.
And so from here all the way up, there's probably no insulation in these walls, unless they've come through and drilled on the outside and then blew in the insulation, which they can do that. The insulation itself is not expensive. It's just the labor. So if you do it yourself, it's a couple weekend project. You go through and do all the drilling. But if you hire someone to do that, it's going to take them a couple days. That could be expensive. But I mean, we're talking a couple $1,000s. But then you got to patch the holes outside, and now it's stucco. That's where probably the majority of the cost is going to come in repairing the stucco. Yeah. So most of the time we don't even touch the insulation unless we have to.